Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's grow young together. Every one of us will be having at least one friend who would be always telling, no, I'm damn afraid to. Right? Yes, today I'm going to speak about different kinds of phobias. We all love to sleep. Whether be it in office, or be it in school, or in our favorite place, our bedroom. Can you ever think of someone who is scared of sleeping? Yep, we call it a somniphobia. It may be because of the anxiety or the nightmare he or she is seeing. Are you not someone who loves cooking, to experiment new style of cooking, to make new dishes, to go through new recipes and serve everything with love? Still, there are a number of people who are afraid of cooking. They have phobia. Before going out anywhere, everyone would be looking at the mirror and telling, yeah, I'm good looking. Cool. No, that's not the case with all. There are some people who are afraid to look at the mirror. Fear of mirrors are called as phobia. Some people are afraid to see their own reflection in the mirror because their reflection itself frightens them. Or maybe the fear for the decade-old story of seeing the ghost in the mirror. If you have any trouble with your health, no doubt you have to run to your doctor. What if the patient himself is afraid of doctors? That condition is called as hydrophobia. Do you feel like sweating, fainting, headache while reading long words? Then your fear to read the long words is called as hippopotamonstrous phobia. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye.